Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to create a YouTube account. Just like with the other tutorials, I'm using Windows Vista, and I am going to also use Mozilla Firefox, just like the other account. YouTube is a company that was privately owned and is now owned by Google, so it's going to be one of many Google applications that we're going to discuss in these tutorials. But it is an incredibly useful and incredibly powerful tool that has gained a massive amount of popularity very quickly. So to get an account, you'll click on the Start menu and go to your internet browser. Again, here I'm using Mozilla Firefox. And you'll type in www.youtube.com in the address bar. And so it brings up the regular YouTube page here, and you will click on Sign Up in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. So you'll type in your email address, and this should be your Gmail account, but it can be any address, really. So the address for me is ttgcrashtestdummy.com at gmail.com. Here you can see I've already typed it in. The password can be anything that you want. And my username is going to be the same as my email address, which is, again, ttgcrashtestdummy. And you should check availability, and in this case, the username is available. So you should put in your postal code, and you should put in your date of birth. You should put in your correct date of birth here because some things are inaccessible to people who have too young a birthday. I'm going to put mine in at January 1st, 1980, which of course shows you some of the problems with this process. Here you have another one of those image things. And I am going to allow others to find my channel on YouTube if they have my email address. This is an issue that is really a privacy issue. For me, of course, I want my videos to be accessible, but you might not, and so should think about this very carefully. I'm also going to check the I agree to terms of use and privacy policy checkbox here, but you should read these before you do check it. You should take a look also at the current issues with YouTube deleting supposedly copyrighted materials that are online due to pressure from the M.P.A., RIAA, and other groups. This is going to be a constitutional battle that will continue over the next few years. So you should take a look at that. But click on Create Your Account, and it's done. So it will send an email to the email address that you put in here, and you need to click on the link to verify your address. So I'm going to go to Gmail right now and see if it is there. So we type in www.gmail.com and log in. TTG crash test dummy. And then sign in. So you can see that it has actually sent the email just that fast. So you need to confirm your email address, and it opens it, and it's done. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope it's been helpful.